Welcome back to Whiskey Dents. You're late. Again. Anyways, we got a ton of stuff to do today. We're going to start welding on this frame. And we're going to clean up some of this rust. Get a little spray paint on it. Make it look pretty. And then hopefully we can start getting the cab on it. So let's get after it. Might as well do a little before and after video. I know you guys saw it last week, but anyways. Just get a good look, take a gander. It ain't gonna look like this for long. Don't forget to wear pants when you're doing this kind of thing. When I was all done, I ended up with a whole bunch of wires stuck in my leg, and I was bleeding everywhere. Back to you, Bob. So as you can see, I got this cleaned up. I didn't wipe it down. I didn't do nothing. I literally just hit it with the wire wheel and hit with some of this. This is going to be hopefully a daily driver in Minnesota. So it's not going to look good for long. So anyways, let's do it. I like to take long sweeping strokes. You don't want single coat coverage. Just give something for the next layer of paint to stick to. Well, here comes my assistant. Can I help you, sir?
Yeah.
What's up, buddy?
I don't know.
You don't know? Do you want to help?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. Well, that wasn't so bad, and it looks much better. Now, teaching moment. This is why we, that's why we wear pants and the correct PPE. Man, I'm just teaching you guys all kinds of stuff today. All right, well, I'm going to probably do that other side and then get some measurements for my sheet metal that I'm going to need. Hopefully I can do that tomorrow. There's not going to be a video next week, I don't think, because we are going to Atlanta, Georgia. And apparently it's going to be 100 degrees there the whole week. So, yeah, it should be a good time. But anyways, let's get back after it. Well, we've made a little bit of progress. It definitely looks better. I'm going to get my measurements, and I will be back tomorrow or the next day to weld them in. See you then, guys. So this is where we left off last week. I'm going to weld that on there so it matches the frame. Okay. And then I have some thick angle iron that I'm going to put across the top there. I just didn't trust that sheet metal. I want a little extra support, and 39 inches is quite a bit. So anyways, let's get it. So I got that tacked in. I'm going to weld across the top, and then I'm going to put the angle iron on, and then I'm going to weld everything solid. Give it a nice coat of paint. We'll jump on the other side. Got it all tacked together. Just finishing up the welding. This is going to do it for this episode. I will see you on Sunday. We're going to finish this frame. I want it looking good. Finish this side. So, thanks again. Probably going to have some merch coming soon. Let me know what you think. Is anybody interested?